Yo, Bear, drop that beat.
Continue to help the industry drive towards that 2020 vision on faster. So we're excited about it. I think the industry is excited about it. And I don't anticipate I don't see any reasons why this should slow down
Yo, Bear, drop that beat.
or will slow down.
CKJ. CKJ Crypto News. I'd like to welcome everybody to the show. As always, huge show. Hope everybody's enjoying this amazing XRP Saturday. IMF International Monetary Fund has been all over virtual currencies, digital assets, and mostly Ripple. We know that Ryan Zagone and Chris Larson is on the high-level advisory board at the IMF. And I found a really good article on the IMF basically saying that the use case for digital assets, virtual currencies are enormous. This technology is actually going to handle a $180 trillion problem. I've showed you guys a clip before where between the stock market, the commodities market, derivatives, bonds, it's basically a $180 trillion market in that aspect. That's for sure. I also have a new tweet from IMF. How much do you know about fintech? Take the quiz. And then once you click on this, it just takes you all to digital currencies. I did reshare that. And congratulations to Pepe for winning the XRP shirt last night for the retweet. And shout out to XRP Pioneer for winning the 50 XRP. And then Pepe won the Ripple shirt. So congratulations, guys. Thanks for retweeting the shirt from the CKJ Crypto merch store. I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. And don't forget, I do daily crypto videos and I do daily night streams. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It means the world to me. We're on a campaign 10K for CKJ. Here on CKJ Crypto News. I love doing rabbit hole research. I love showing the foundation at Ripple XRP has been building behind the scenes, working with the IMF and the World Bank and so many nations and countries, and we know that they're on the Federal Reserve Faster Payments Task Force. There's a lot more connections behind the scenes. One thing that I've pretty much been saying is there's unclarity on regulation. This innovation is clearly ahead of regulation, and that's what the holdup is. We are early to the party, that's for sure. And I've been saying before that they're not concerned if this technology is a security or not. They're worried about if this technology can shorten the time required to settle securities, stocks, corporate bonds, municipal securities, and mutual funds. And I will show you that right now. So thanks guys for tuning in. Let's get this show started. This is the IMF staff discussion note, virtual currencies and beyond, initial considerations. So if you scroll down here, just bear with me. I got like maybe 2 or 3 pages to show on here. So once we get to this part right here, this is cryptocurrencies, and they're highlighting Bitcoin, Ripple, Litecoin, and Ethereum. So, but here's Ripple right here on this IMF doc. And if I go down to 28, now I did talk about this last night in a live stream, but I'm pretty much wanted to do just a quick video because in my live streams we pretty much highlight the community. We have a lot of fun. Talk about Malpass's video and what King Blue is doing for St. Jude's and some real guy, what he's been up to, and just, you know, Cobb stopped by the stream last night, found out that Jungle is just taking the weekend off. We have a lot of fun in the stream. But anyway, let's get this started. Distributed ledger can shorten the time required to settle securities transactions. And if you guys are familiar, I did say this about a month ago, which was highlighted in Global Coin Report also, where I said they're not worried about if this is security or not. They're worried about can this technology be used for securities and commodities, derivatives, stocks, bonds. And I did a video yesterday that the World Bank is on the blockchain. And this is why I really believe this is the hugest opportunity of our lifetime. That's for sure. Matter of fact, let me just show you guys one thing. let me show you guys one thing really quick. If you click on this, and I do truly believe this is the hugest opportunity of our lifetime because we are early to the party. Now, this is from March 12th, but you see IMF just actually shared this 44 minutes ago. So, but if you look right here, it basically says from artificial intelligence to cryptography, rapid advances in digital technology are transforming the way financial service landscape, transforming the financial services landscape, creating opportunities and challenges for consumers. So, like I said, hugest opportunity of our lifetime. I truly do believe that. Currently, settlement, distributed ledger can shorten time required to settle security transactions. This is going to revolutionize the financial world. I mean, the thing is, institutional investors are going to flood the market once they start. These guys are waiting for regulatory certainty to basically invest in this market. So us as right now as the retail investors, we truly are pioneers. If we make the right decisions today, I do believe we can change our future with the press of a key. That's for sure, financial freedom. Currently, settlement could take up to 3 days since trade date called T3 for most securities, including stocks, corporate bonds, municipal securities, and mutual fund shares. Many foreign exchange settlements continue to require 2 days. Even the U.S. Treasury bonds require at least 1 day. Not only is it time consuming, but trading parties also face settlement and counterparty risk. Major financial institutions have been investing substantially in this area, and we haven't seen nothing yet, guys. This is why I do believe when this next bull run happens, the big bull run, it's going to be a lot of excitement. For example, Goldman Sachs has applied for a patent on its blockchain-based settlement system. Setcoin in 2015, the development of so-called smart contracts could further enhance the efficiency in transactions and settlements of in the security industry. This is going to be huge, guys, but also raises some risk. And like I said, Chris Larsen and Ryan Zagone is on the IMF High Level Advisory Board. And I did some research this too on this. J.P. Morgan is one of the highest security settlers in the market, and we know that they are working with Ripple. We did the video on that too. Um, so the next one right here says, together with our developments in financial technology, distributed modalities could portend important structure shifts in financial industry. Already a growing number of blockchain-based financial services are being improved by non-bank startups and some e-commerce firms actively exploring the technology. At some time, large global banks are also investing. Historically, large technology changes have led to significant adjustments in market shares, with new firms often gaining at the expense of established ones. At the very least, the intern structure staffing traditional finance intermediaries is likely to place an increasingly heavy weight on technology skills. So this is huge. There was one more I want to show you guys right here. And this is huge too because I got Codius in here. Smart contracts were first defined in the early 1990s, a computerized protocol that execute terms in contracts. But if you look right here, blockchain-based smart contracts are still at early stage with many unsolved problems. Several platforms such as Ethereum and Codius, we're talking about Codius, and this is an old article, maybe from 2016, 2017. Codius seek to apply blockchain technology to execute smart contracts. Unsolved technical difficulties include reliability, observing. So, uh, so that's huge right there. There was one more clip I had to show you guys. Uh, oh yeah, here it is right here. Distributed ledger technologies can improve back office functions for security dealers, and that's what I was saying. J.P. Morgan is one of the largest security dealers in the world, and they also deal with Ripple. Security dealers enhance their transparency. For example, in late 2015, the Nasdaq, together with a blockchain startup, launched Link, which is a blockchain-enabled exchange platform. So this is huge. And one more thing I just want to show you guys before we get out of here. Um, Regulatory and policy challenges. And this is what I've been saying. That basically, the financial institutions are waiting for clarity on regulation, and they're going to flood the market with investments, especially when they're going to be this technology. Ripple has a lot more use case than we thought. Like basically, we know for global adoption, for remittances, cross-border payments. But I'm talking about for securities, commodities, the clearinghouses. We're just getting started. So, but it's basically saying that they're having a problem figuring out which way to go with regulatory. Certainly, the risks are most serious from the aspect to cryptocurrencies, but are limited to them. Risks fail in continuing with immediate pressing concerns about financial integrity, anti-money laundering. Uh, just want to read you this one line. Okay, here it is right here. Finding consistent classification for virtual currencies, even with the same jurisdiction, has proven difficult, as different competent authorities may classify them according to their own policy priorities. For example, the U.S. Tax Authority, the IRS, has classified virtual currencies as property and for the purpose of federal taxation, whereas the Treasury Department, FinCEN, has classified virtual currencies as value. And I believe the FinCEN has classified XRP, Ripple, as a currency. So uh, it covers it right here. Other jurisdictions have taken a different approach, avoiding formal classification and focusing instead on the nature and type of transaction being conducted. This disparity of treatment within among jurisdictions may hamper coordination and may lead to inconsistencies. So this is huge, guys. This is huge. So, like I've been saying, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. We are truly early to the party. That's for sure. We are early to the party. It's January 2016, and they're talking about Codius and Ripple. So, anyway, guys, the CKJ coin will pop up below me right now. Smash that coin. That's the subscribe coin. Thanks to everybody. If you're new to the channel and you subscribe, let me know. Leave a question or comment. I respond to all questions or comments. Thank you, guys. It really means the world to me. I will see you guys tonight at the live stream at 9 p.m. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Peace.